Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about something that can hinder your YouTube growth. Reuse content. We have all seen them, compilation reaction videos with minimal effort and content that feels uninspired. But fear not, aspiring creator, this video will equip you to avoid the reuse content trap and create fresh engaging content. If your channel sees reuse content, your monetization will be gone. You can see here reuse content. Your channel is not earning right now. Reuse content. You see there are apply to sending this video. If you get reuse content restriction, you can see here a apply button to apply to sending YouTube a video that you are not use someone else content. If you delete something or edit your channel, then you should see this option in here. If you don't see option in here, you directly see this button, reapply button, open in your channel. That means you use reuse content in your channel. So delete all this content you take somewhere else and upload in your channel. Reuse content are not copyright strike. Don't be puzzled with that. You think if I use someone's else video and they can give me copyright strike, but this is not right. If you take some abundant content and you upload in your channel and someone else also upload this same content in their video, if they upload and you upload the same video, you may get reuse content restriction in your channel. If you get reuse content restriction in your channel, if you reapply that it is not fixed your channel and you don't get back monetization in your channel, then you need to wait for more 3 months or 19 days in your channel to enable this, to see this reapply option is enabled in your channel. Sometimes it can terminate your channels with reapply. People often make some mistake in their channel. They use movie clip, they use this clip, edit this clip and upload their channel. They think this thing will not give them any strike in future, but this is wrong. You may get a strike in your channel, reuse content strike or copyright strike, but we are talking about reuse content strike. Don't be overconfident. Don't take anyone's else video. Do not upload anyone's content without their permission. So if you have permission, then you upload your video in YouTube. If you don't have permission, don't upload this. Remember one thing, original content is best. So create your own content and upload it on YouTube. Do not take anyone else's content and upload it on your channel. This may suffer you a lot in your channel. So guys, I hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy this video, please feel free to subscribe this channel, and if you have any question, please let me know. Please comment in comment section so I can know what is your problem and how can I solve your problem.